In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can receive an e-transfer without specifying a password. Now what you need to do is register your email address for Autodeposit. You can do this from any banking app that you're using. So I'll be demonstrating this using the RBC mobile app. So here I'm just going to go to Move Money. Then in your app, you're going to select Interac eTransfer. Then you're going to select Autodeposit registration. So here you can see that I'm registered for Autodeposit using this email. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to send an e-transfer to this email address and you'll see exactly what will happen. So let's step back and open the CIBC mobile app. So let me just sign on. So I'm just going to be sending a small transfer. I'm just going to send $10 done to, and then select the email address that is registered with Autodeposit. Note, Autodeposit is enabled. MR Morrison is registered for Autodeposit. This transfer does not require a security question. So once I scroll down and select continue and then select send money, the money will be deposited in my account without me needing to specify a password. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.